Alright, today we're looking at a 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan with a handicap wheelchair accessible rear entry conversion. I'm going to kind of walk you around the van, show you the options and how the conversion works. With this being a rear entry conversion, you don't need a handicap parking spot. This works in any parking spot. There are two wheelchair positions in here, one in the second row there. Otherwise you can flip down those second row seats there and then put the wheelchair in the third position if you want. Otherwise, you still have the seating up there. If you're not hauling a wheelchair, you can put those seats down. Going back to the ramp here, it is a spring-loaded ramp. It's nice and easy to pick up. I always tell people it's about like picking up a gallon of milk, so if you can do that, you should be able to handle it. You got a latch on each side here. Super easy to do. It's manual, so there's nothing electrical to ever fail on it. I got a power button here. The hatch. That'll automatically close there. The van does have a remote start. We got two key fobs for it, so if you want to remote start it, just hit that button twice. The van will start up. I always make these videos to try to point out any damage or anything that might be a surprise. So looking down this side, it's nice and straight over here. Might be a couple little light scratches. Anything I point out, if you want it fixed, we can fix it with our body shop. They're pretty reasonable, but sometimes we just leave it and leave the price down. You can see there's one little ding right there, and little scratch there. We might be able to buff that out. We did get a little bit of hail the other day, so we're discounting all our vans a couple $1,000s. You really only notice it on the hood. You can see it a little bit on the roof too. And again, if you want the stuff fixed, we can get it fixed. But it is there. You can see one there, and a couple other little ones right in there when you get it at the right angle. And then there are some on the roof if you get up there. That as well. Going down the passenger side here. I think we got a little ding here in the door I can see. Probably door ding. A couple little scuffs on the handle where it looks like somebody opened the door into it. Other than that, looks pretty good. Most minivans have a few little dings on them. That's kind of the nature of the vehicle. But just like to point them out so there's no surprises. It's got good tires on it. It runs and drives great. Goes down the road nice. Got leather, heated seats, heated steering wheel. It's in good shape. Doors in good shape. Got power doors. These seats flip down. All you gotta do to flip these seats down is pull this lever down here. Flip this down. And then let's see. Seat still reclines as well. We got armrests on both sides that flip down. Like that. Got a power door button there. And you can run the power doors from the fob as well. The seat flips down there as well. You got automatic headlights. Rear windows roll down, front windows, power windows. It has 63,614 miles on it. Got a nice big backup camera. You got your power doors, power hatch up there as well. Garage door openers. You got your radio controls. You You flip through this, it tells you a lot of information about the vehicle through here. You also have the radio controls. They're on the back side, so you got the seat on that side and the volume over here. Do have a little crack in the display up here over the tachometer. Shifts nice and smooth. It is a little low on fuel right now, but we will give you a full tank. Got the heated seats, heated steering wheel down there. If you guys have any questions about it or want more pictures, more videos of anything, always happy to take more pictures and videos. We do free nationwide delivery anywhere in the lower 48. We'll deliver it to your door. If this isn't the van for you, or you want something similar to it, a little newer, lower miles, or something less expensive, a little older with higher miles, we got a lot of different vans out there. We got a bunch of whole row of rear entries over there and a bunch of side entries over here. We also have full-size vans in the back. You can give me a call or shoot me a text. My number is 507-990-6981. My name is Caleb, and you can also go to our website at summitmobility.com and check out the rest of our inventory listed. If you don't see what you want there, let me know. We usually have it coming in. We get new vans in every week. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.